Hi everyone, welcome to IT PK. In this quick, simple, and to the point tutorial, I will show you how we can create this subscribe button watermark. So, first, let's go incognito and let me show you how this is helpful. Let's search for my channel. Let's go on any video. And if you can see here on my channel and on my video, I can see the subscribe button watermark from where any viewer can watch my video and subscribe to my channel by entering an email, and this subscribe button will taking them directly to my channel. So this subscribe button watermark will increase my viewers and subscribers, and this is very helpful for any YouTube channel. So now let's go ahead and see. Here I have the subscribe button watermark. Let's remove it. I have removed it because I want to show you this requirement for subscribe button watermark, that an image that's 150 by 150 pixel is recommended. Use a PNG, GIF, no animation, BMP or JPEG file that is 1 MB or less. So what we are going to do, we are going to create this subscribe button image according to this requirement in Canva, right? I will paste canva.com link in the video description, and please note that I am using totally free version of Canva here to create a subscribe button watermark for my channel. So let's go ahead and start the process without wasting time. Okay, let's go to canva.com. Once I am in canva.com, please note that I am using Canva for free, right? So I've already created that subscribe button watermark, but for you, I want to create it from the beginning. In create a design, let's select the logo option here, and here what we want is we want to go to elements. In the elements, let's select this square first, right? And I want to color this square here. I search for YouTube color code and Google gave me YouTube red color code here, right? Let's copy this color code, and in Canva color section, let's paste this code, and this will take us YouTube red color, and here we have the square. Now the next element we need is another square shape, right? And for this square shape, let's go ahead and select white color. So let's minimize it according to our requirement. Okay, this position will be fine. And what we need here, we want to round the corner same as we have for YouTube, right? And the next element we need here is triangle. So let's correct its position and make it a little smaller. And here you go. Okay. So if you think any direction or dimension or anything is wrong here, please ignore that, because I only want to guide you on how to create YouTube subscribe button watermark. You can make this more clearer according to your requirement. So let's go ahead, and here we want to add text, and we want to write in the text subscribe. Okay, let's make this little smaller, and we want to color this white. Okay, we have created the YouTube logo. I have guided you step by step process by using free Canva version. So let's go ahead, and I want to download this. Okay, that's fine. Let's download it. And here I want to select desktop. Let's name it subscribe, and let's save it. Okay, I've saved it on my desktop here. What we need, this is 500 by 500 pixel. Let's go ahead and edit it in the paint according to YouTube size requirements. So I have opened this subscribe button watermark with paint. Paint is the application that is built in installed in Windows. So once I have selected this, I want to go here and click on resize and skew. Here I want to select the pixel, and what YouTube requirement is that the image subscribe button watermark or any image you want to add it here, that should be 150 by 150 pixel, right? You can upload the subscribe button watermark that doesn't meet this requirement, but that will not be good. So let's set it to 150. Make sure you have unselected this aspect ratio button, and here I want to set it to 150 by 150. Let's click on OK. I want to save it on desktop. Click on file button, save as png picture. This goes to download, so sorry about that. I want to save it on desktop. Let's save it. Let's minimize, and here you go. That's perfect. Right. I got this subscribe button watermark according to YouTube requirement, that is 150 by 150 dimensions. And we have done all this using free Canva version. And now the subscribe button could be added or uploaded to videos, right? To your videos from here. So once I click on the upload, I could go to desktop, and here I have my required subscribe button, and I could upload it to YouTube directly. And if you could see here, this subscribe button is uploaded here. And let's click on publish. Please note that you can make this design better according to your requirement, right? So once this is published, you could change your requirement. You want to show this in entire video, you want to show in custom start time or the end of the video. And also please note that if you want, you can make a perfect design according to your requirement. So that's it about today's simple, to the point, and quick tutorial on how to create YouTube subscribe button and add it to your videos to get more subscribers to your channel. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care. Bye.